Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. By this channel, we will bring you the latest trends in foot nail polish designs for high heel sandals. In this video, I will show a collection of captivating and creating nail art ideas with high heels. Specifically, these ideas, those who love to flaunt their pedicure in stylish sandals. Dear viewers, so if you are looking to elevate your style and show off your fabulous foot nail art, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads. Get ready to unleash your creativity and rock those high heel sandals with confidence. Dear friends, remember, stunning foot nail polish designs are the perfect finishing touch to complete your stylish ensembles, and we are here to help you to achieving the perfect look. So don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends who love trendy foot nail art. Let's dive into the world of fabulous toenail designs with high heel sandals together. Dear viewers, as you can see that all the ideas are very unique. Dear viewers, so get ready to be inspired as we present a diverse range of toenails polish designs that perfectly completed high heel sandal. From elegant and minimalist patterns to bold and intricate designs, we have something for every taste and occasions. So viewers, you can see that these sandals are very colorful and unique along with your foot nail polish arts and designs. Dear viewers, whether you prefer classic French tip, vibrant colors or trendy geometric patterns on your foot toenails, you will find plenty of inspirations to experiment with them. By this video, you can attend and take many ideas to complete your personality. I will showcase various nail polish finishes including glossy, matte, glittery and metallic in this video. You can choose the perfect style and enhance the beauty of your personality according to your desire and your occasions. Please subscribe my channel and share it. Thank you.